Hi, Kanchanaji. Yeah, you can tell us. How do you feel?
I'm Kanchana. I live in Bangalore. I joined Rakesh G's program in April for the 9-day toxin loss. That was my first program. After that, I've done a few ILKL, and then recently I've done the 9-day again. And this time around, the 27-day challenge. I must say it has been an amazing experience, mainly because it actually got me to understand how you can follow something and sustain it and actually rejuvenate your life. So a lot of my friends are always complimenting me, saying I've lost so much weight and my skin is glowing. So obviously I'm going to be happy about that. I definitely would love to continue the journey. But 2 points I really want to state, and this has really been such an amazing change in my life. One is I had diabetes, and now I'm off medication because my sugar levels are very much in control. And this 27-day challenge, actually, I have been recording my diabetes level, the fasting, and of course, the after the fruits. And a lot of myths are broken in this because doctors normally advise that people who have diabetes should not be eating fruits.
Yeah.
So I found that that is definitely a myth. Then the other thing is my fasting sugars were always in the range of 110 to 120. I could never bring it down. Whatever my diet was, and in the night I would try to eat less or eat at 5 or 6, but it still wouldn't come down. But surprisingly, during the 27-day challenge, it has reduced remarkably, and it's now between 90 to 100. So that has been like my key takeaway from this program. Then the other thing I wanted to mention is, of course, I've lost a lot of weight from the 1st of April when we started the journey to now. I was 79 kilos, and today I'm 71. And I must say, it's not like I've been following 100% because I've been traveling as well, but still I managed to lose that much weight, and I'm really grateful and thankful. I have another 8 to 9 kilos to lose, and I'm sure I'll get there. So I must say he's been the most motivating factor. I just love his energy. And he's so committed, and the knowledge and the depth of knowledge he has in every field. I mean, whatever it is, it's just amazing. So we've really learned a lot. I would definitely recommend this program to a lot of people, including a lot of my friends have been asking me. But of course, it's up to them to sustain it. The last 27-day program, the key takeaway for me has been that you can actually simplify your life, that you can keep, and because I'm 61, and for me, I've been cooking for almost 40 years. So for me, it's like a break. I don't need to cook anything
You look so,
at
like,
time.
so young and beautiful.
Yeah.
You look so young and
And
beautiful. Not seeing
thank
it.
you so much. Yeah, and that you can actually sustain it and keep doing it for the rest of your life, because it's just so simple. I mean, you don't need all this cooking and carbs and all. You can just exist on a raw food diet, plant-based, and it's also given me so much energy. And even my husband has been complimenting me, which is a very rare thing. And even my son, who's very skeptical about everything that I do, has said that he wants to introduce a few of his friends to me so that I can tell them what I'm doing.
So nice.
So that is like a huge compliment. And everywhere I go with my daughter, people keep asking me if we are sisters. So that annoys her, but I'm very happy. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Ji. Thank you for your feedback.